Hi guys, in this video I want to discuss top 8 qualities of great successful website. Now these top 8 qualities you can use as a checklist. So if for example you will build your website with somebody else, you can use this checklist to check the final results when your website is ready. You can just go one by one to make sure that everything is in place. Now the first quality of the successful website is an informative and engaging content. So you have to have a professional sales copy on your website. Now many business owners for some reason are trying to save money on professional copywriters. And I think it's a big no-no when it comes to your website. Because professional copywriters can help you create a content that will be engaging and it will be focused on customer benefits. And at the end of the day, professional sales copy will convert more visitors into actual clients. So never try to save money on copywriters. This is the number one thing that will help you convert visitors into customers. Now the second quality of the successful website is the fast website speed. So basically it means that your pages have to load fast for every new user who comes to your website. You can use tools like Google PageSpeed Insight to check your website speed and how your website performs for somebody who comes to your website for the first time. Now the third quality of the successful website is having videos. Using videos on your website pages will highly improve your conversion rates because people are getting engaged with videos much more with the written content. So if you can, please try to include videos where you explain your products or services on specific pages, of course. Fourth quality of the successful website. The fourth quality of the successful website is the conversion-focused design. Conversion-focused design means that everything on your website should be focused on the conversion. So basically conversion is converting the visitor into the customer. So what it means when it comes to the conversion-friendly design is clear headlines, call to action buttons, and so on. So easy to find contact us button, easy to call you, easy to find all information and how to navigate through the website. So conversion-focused design covers all these parts to make sure that every visitor can easily find information that they are looking for, and it's very easy for them to contact with your business and start communicating. Well, the fifth quality is the responsive design. So this one is pretty simple. We just have to make sure that your website works well on every device, be it on a phone, smartphone, be it on your desktop or tablet. On any device, your website should load fast and it should work well. So it's called a responsive design. Now we came down to item number 6. Item number 6 is about installing visitors tracking on your website. So what we usually do for our clients, we install Google Tag Manager, and then we also install some separate tags like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and so on. So all these tags will allow you and allow us to track the visitors when it comes to advertising your website online when it's ready. Now let's discuss item number 7 for the successful website. Item number 7 is a reliable content management platform for your website. So we usually use WordPress when we build websites for our clients. It's a very, very reliable platform provided that you upgrade it on a regular basis to make sure that everything is secure and everything is working. But it allows you as a business owner to easily manage your website. So you can easily add more images, change text, add videos, and so on. So it's very, very easy to control what's on your website and add more information as you go forward. And finally, item number 8 for your website is about security. You have to use a thing called SSL certificate, and it has to be installed on your server. So the simple example of the SSL certificate in action, if somebody comes to your Contact Us page and submits an online form, the information that you will receive from the user computer will be encrypted, which means that nobody can steal this information, nobody can steal this data. And another benefit of SSL certificates when they installed on your website is that Google, for example, recognizes that your website is secure and it promotes your ranking. It promotes your positions in Google search results if they see that your website is secure. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope the checklist with these 8 items will help you to check your website when it's ready, or maybe you can check it even on your existing website. And if something is missing, give us a call and we can discuss whether we can help you or not. And for more questions and answers, scroll down the page and you will see more questions and answers about the website design and development.